Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to show or hide caller ID on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the phone app. Click on the three dots at top right. Select settings. Scroll down, locate and click on supplementary services. Then wait for the supplementary services to open. Once opens, locate show your caller ID and click on it. Then you should say network default, never and always. To hide your caller ID, just select never and then hang on. Then you should see your caller ID hidden, that's why you see never. Now to show your caller ID, click on it again and select always. So this will not be subject to your network default, and if you want to use network default to show or hide caller ID on your A54 5G, click on show your caller ID and click on network default. Hang on and then you're good. So that's exactly how to show or hide caller ID on Samsung A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.